Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Benchmade Mini Crooked River. Beautifully done, actually, I have to say. This is a very nice knife, guys. 7.625 inch long open, 4.375 inch long handle. Beautifully done, I have to say. Nice carbon fiber scales, bolster blacked out in this custom version, stainless steel liners with some skeletonization going on to reduce the weight. In this case, there's a pretty cool Damasteel blade. Look at that, the sound this guy makes. It's the classic axis lock sound. And in the pocket, this guy is going to be 3.3 ounces. Really nice ergo, just a little bit of hot spot going on right over here, but overall it's nice. It feels pretty good in the hand. Very smooth action. There's no jimping going on the blade, just a little bit here on the handle. But overall, this is a very cool knife, guys. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.